Hi lovies, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm very grateful and thankful for you guys. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can style your short natural hair in very short time. I can say quick, short natural hair style that you can take less than 10 minutes to achieve this look. But if it's your first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? I love you so much. Welcome, and feel at home. My name is Glory. Before you leave, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much, and my God bless you. My boys today, they are like, Mom, we also want to show people how we comb our hair. And I said, okay, honey, don't worry. So guys, enjoy how they comb their hair before we jump into video. I normally don't like to hit my hair, so I make sure I stretch my hair using African threading method. In case you don't know, here in my channel I have a lot of videos on how you can stretch your hair without heat. So after I wash my hair, I put this style to prepare my hair for today's style. So after I take down, you can see how my hair looks like. It's very stretched and it's easy for me to style. So I'm going to part my hair from mid of my eyebrow to mid of my eyebrow, and the section is like this, very small section, not so big. Then I secure this section with rubber band so that I cannot tag it in other section. Back I'm going to do a kind of zigzag, but you can do any shape you want depending on what comfortable you are with. And this is how the zigzag looks like. So here I'm going with 2 lines in back section. First of all, I'm going to make a line mid of this line so that it will be easy for me to braid. In case you don't know how to braid, take middle section, put every time you have to make sure you put back of your index finger so that when you add hair, the previous section you braid will be back of your index finger, and then you'll add that section you braid with either right side or left side. Here I'm going to add hair both sides, but every time the hair I'm adding will be back of my index finger. So after I put back of my index finger, then I can add hair, use my index finger and my thumb finger. Then I keep going. This is how I continue add hair. Every time I put the previous section back of my index finger, then the same index finger help me to add section, hold with thumb finger, then I keep braiding. When you add hair, you have to make sure you really hold all hair well, both sides, so that your line can come out well and clean. But if your hair is long enough, you may do only 1 line. But if your hair is very short like mine, the best way is do 2 lines so that the hairstyle can last at least a week. And I continue braid till end of this line, and on top of this line you may decide either to do a kind of twist, or you may continue to braid till end of this line. In front section you may decide either to braid shape of S or a cycle, so that when you attach your hair, the hair can cover all front part. And here you may decide to do either flat twist, or you may do cornrows, or you may decide to roll it. Just do something simple that you can achieve. So here I'm doing a cornrows, but I only add 1 side, and I'm going with the shape of S, so that later on will be easy for me to attach some hair on top. So guys, this is how I braid this front section. When you are braiding, just make sure you are not add any hair from the section you braid back. When you're braiding, don't forget to add the back line's tail, so that later on when you add hair on top will be covered all front parts. And this is how the part looks like, and I'm going to crochet this tail here so that this tail will not be showing. I'll be using Marley hair. I got this hair online, but this hair comes without name and without any tags, but this is how the hair is inside. I use only one pack to attach front, so here I'm going to tie this section with yarn. After I attach it with yarn, you may decide to hang anywhere so that you can do twists, but for me, let me do it on my neck so that guys you can see clear like what I'm doing. Don't worry, this hair is very light. So here I'm doing a kind of losing twist, and because this is Marley hair, have a texture like our natural hair, make things even more easy. And I braid till end, then I use rubber band to secure ends. If you don't have rubber band, you may decide to braid this hair till end. So after I finish braid, I take scissors and I cut this yarn because I don't want this yarn to show out. And this is how it is. Then I'll be using bobby pin to secure this hair on top. So every time when I place the bobby pin, I make sure I place under so that my bobby pin will not show out. This first section, as you see, only pass in forehead here, and I use bobby pin to secure it well. The tail of this hair, I make sure I put it there and I secure with bobby pin. This is another half of the hair remain, and this is going to cover the back section. Then I continue to pin it well with bobby pin. Make sure I cover well and the hair hold well. And the tail I'm going to put under front section. And guys, this is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your loved one you wish they know how to style their short, natural hair. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.